shadows dance in my dreams. Unknown paths and smoky haze. Pure souls clutch the secrets of time. The clock's unwinds for a broken heart. Broken hearts, souls live like burning fires. Step by step, we spin around. Listen to pulse, listen to sound. The street lights flicker like our song. Every step is compatible. Then the wind howls softly and deeply. The leaves replies, and the symphony of the day begins. Open the window, listen the sound. Combine the pieces of the dream. Broken heart.